Good evening all, I am Pooja Farte. Today we will see about the organic input culture. Before that, we all are aware of organic cultivation wherein we avoid use of chemical or material which will harm the environment and human health. Organic input used in agriculture consists of use of compost, vermicompost, botanicals, traps, biofertilizers, lime, culture, biopesticide, biocontrol agent, etc. So today we will see about culture, that is effective microorganism culture. Living soil. Why we call soil as living system? It is because it harbors many living forms like bacteria, fungi, actinomycete, insect, etc. Some microbes are helpful for the plant like rhizobium, nitrobacter, which help the plant to uptake the nutrient. Trichoderma, which help in pathogen suppression. Some microbes are harmful. They are pathogen, which causes diseases like Phytophthora, Rhizoctonia. Culture basically contain mixture of life culture of beneficial microbes like fermenting fungi, lactic acid bacteria, actinomycetes, yeast, which help the plant and soil in many ways. Each microbe perform their specific function. Like yeast, it promotes fermentation process, produces bioactive substances like enzymes, hormones. Lactic acid bacteria suppresses the pathogen. Some other microbes synthesize amino acid, carbohydrates, which act as a substrate for other microbes. Let's see how is beneficial to plant and soil. First, it improves the soil health. When we apply in the soil, the diversity of microbes will increase. It is not like that these microbes are not present in the soil, but in less count. Effectiveness will be increased when we apply through artificial means like this, applying the The improves the physical, chemical, biological environment of the soil. Microbes in help the activities of other microbes to build a healthy living soil. Next is, it provides nutrient. Microbes in produces useful substances like enzymes, hormones, which will help the plant growth and development. Microbes help in converting the minerals in usable form to the plant. VAM, that is vascular avascular mycorrhiza, is a beneficial fungus. It is helpful in phosphorus uptake. It requires amino acid for its functioning. Produces amino acid which help the mycorrhiza to work efficiently. Next is pest and disease control. Microbes present in suppresses the growth of the pathogen and pest by antagonistic effect. The odor emitted by repel harmful insect. There is one example, attract fruit fly, which mostly affect the female insect, which later become sterile. So the pest population will be in control. Next is composting. Microbes help in decomposition process. When we use culture, the decomposition period would be reduced from 3 months to 1.5 months, and the compost produced would be rich in beneficial microbes, nutrient and antioxidant. Next is good yield. When soil is healthy, the plant will get its required nutrient. Gradually, plant yield will be higher and better, and will get a quality produce as it is organic. Reduces the need of chemical. Provide nutrient. It protects the plant from pathogen, pest, so The use of synthetic chemicals like pesticide, fertilizers, fungicide will be reduced. It is also used as a cleaning agent at homes. So, waste decomposer. It is an inactivated EM culture. It contains the microbes isolated from desi cow dung. It is used for composting, seed treatment, pathogen and pest control. As it is inactivated EM culture, we need to activate the microbes in it. For that, what we should do? So, to activate the microbes, take a plastic drum, pour 200 liters of water in it, add 2 kg jaggery, stir it well, add the content of waste decomposer, then keep it for 7 days. Every day stir it once. After 7 days, the solution will be ready to spray. Now the application. While composting, the mass multiply solution of waste decomposer is used to decompose bio-waste into organic manure. Before filling the pit, wet the bio-waste like straw, kitchen waste with solution of waste decomposer and fill the pit layer-wise. Then turn the pile every 7-day interval and add the solution. The compost is ready to use after 30 to 40 days. Next is a biopesticide, foliar spray. Mixed waste decomposer solution with water and apply for control of pests and diseases. For vegetable crop, 40% solution plus 60% water. Means if you are preparing 1 liter of spray, take 400 ml of solution plus 600 ml of water. For fruit crop, 60% solution plus 40% water. Used in seed treatment, sprinkle the solution over seed. Shade dry for 30 minutes and after that seed are ready to sow. Next is used in drip irrigation. For 1 acre of land, around 200 liters of solution is enough. In general, when we get EM solution in market, it is recommended to use at 1%. In market, many brands of EM are available, each one having different microbes which perform different function. In Goa, Maple brand is available. It is certified organic product. There are 5 products of their: Maple EM Horticulture, Floriculture, Agriculture, Maple EM Aquaculture, Maple EM Environ, Maple EM Effluclean and Maple EM Pashu Amrut. So each one having different composition of microbes and they perform different function. Like Maple EM Horticulture, Floriculture, Agriculture used in crop production. Maple EM Aquaculture used in ponds. Maple EM Environ used in solid waste management. Maple EM Effluclean is used for wastewater management. And Maple EM Pashu Amrut is used in dairy. There are many organic products available in market and we are also aware of it. But due to their late response, we avoid to use them. We want an instant effect, but we should realize the importance of healthy and safe food. And this is possible only through organic way. So go green, go organic.